This time we compare the fabulous sounds of my two 6-cylinder Honda CBX1000 motorbikes. The red one is an original Moto Martin CBX1000 with period correct Martin parts like frame, wheels, brakes, fairing etc. The black one is a Moto Martin CBX1000 taken to the extreme, with a 300mm wide tire and swing arm, upside down forks, in Street Fighter style. Please let me know which of my 6-cylinder bike sounds you like the most. Enjoy my video. Welcome to ABCD Videos. Check out the previous restoration videos on my channel. I'll stop talking, enjoy the sound. One of my favorite camera angles. Subscribe to see more of my CBX 1000s. The Isle of Man on my black CBX. My red CBX accelerating hard. Look at the suspension work. Six carburetors gasping for air. Other bike, car and racing videos on my channel. Hope to see you in my next video.